Let's begin the broadcast with this breaking input coming in. Gonda accident triggers storm. Bhushan's son's convoy runs over two. An accident in Uttar Pradesh's Gonda district has sparked a massive political furor. But let's tell you what happened. Times Now has learned that a Fortuner SUV ran over and killed two people in Gonda. Local residents are alleging that this vehicle was part of a convoy of BJP candidate Karan Bhushan, who's the son of BJP MP and former WFI president Brij Bhushan. Let's go across to Adib, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Adib, what are the officials saying? What are the cops saying? Because according to locals, this car was part of a convoy of Karan Bhushan.
Well, Swati, the cops are saying that the FIR has been registered on the basis of the complaint given by the victim's family. The victim family has only named the vehicle number that was used in the accident, and they have not written any name in that particular FIR. The cops are saying that now it's a part of investigation. We will investigate who was driving that vehicle, whether it was the part of the convoy of the Karan Bhushan Sharan Singh. But if locals were to believe those eyewitnesses, they are saying that this particular vehicle was part of the convoy of Karan Bhushan Sharan Singh. Karan Bhushan was moving from that area with his convoy, and in that convoy there were more than a dozen cars in that convoy. In this particular car was in the part of that convoy. The car is embossed with the police escort written on the back mirror of this particular car. The car is also registered to the Nandini Institute. Nandini Institute is of the Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh family. So the car definitely belongs to Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh's family. And now the police is saying that this is the part of the investigation. We have taken into the custody. We have taken the custody of the driver, and the driver of that particular vehicle is being questioned by the cops right now.
The vehicle has been seized by the officials. No word yet on whether Karan Bhushan was present there, who was driving the car. Those details are not known yet. But FIR has been filed. Let's take you through that. We've accessed the FIR in the case, which says a Fortuner was involved in the accident. Pratibha is getting us more details. As of now, what we know is which car it was.
Absolutely. Swati, we've accessed the FIR, and it also has the details of the complaint that have been filed in this regard. It's in Hindi. Let me read it out. It goes on to say, this is the complainant who is speaking about how the driver was driving recklessly that caused the accident. It says here, लापरवाही पूर्वक गाड़ी चलाते हुए उसका चालक अपने दाहिने ओर जाकर अपने मेरे भतीजे को. So this is the uncle who is giving this complaint, and he's saying that the driver was driving recklessly, was coming from the opposite end, and drove into my nephew who was in a two-wheeler. So that's what it says here. It says very clearly, Laparwahi stay. I also want to point out the details that have come in here. It does not have the address or the details of the driver. It goes on to say here, the number of the vehicle. It says it's a white Fortuner, and it says Chalak naam or pata agyat. That's what it says, that it is unknown as of now. The details that have been filed in the case as well after the FIR has been filed, the sections that have been put in place as well include reckless driving, sections 279 as well as 3048, 427 and 184 of the Driving Act being put in place for reckless driving by the driver. But the details here mention the vehicle but don't really mention who the driver of the vehicle was.
Right, so driver and address of the driver not known. All we know is which car was involved in the accident. The locals, however, claim it was part of Karan Bhushan's convoy. Stay on with us. We have a reaction coming in. This is Mr. Radhe Shyam, who is the additional SP of Gonda.
आज दिनांक 29/5/2024 को समय लगभग 9 बजे थाना कर्नलगंज को सूचना मिली कि हुजूरपुर रोड पर क्रॉसिंग के पास एक फॉर्च्यूनर और मोटरसाइकिल में एक्सीडेंट हो गया है। मोटरसाइकिल सवार रेहान और शहजाद नाम के 2 व्यक्ति घायल हो गए। पुलिस मौके पर तत्काल पहुंच के दोनों को CSC कर्नलगंज में एडमिट कराया गया, जहां पे दोनों की मृत्यु हो गई है। पंचायतनामा की कार्रवाई की जा चुकी है। पोस्टमार्टम के लिए उनको भेज दिया गया है। उनके परिजनों द्वारा एक तहरीर दी गई है। तहरीर के आधार पर सुसंगत धाराओं में अभियोग पंजीकृत किया जा रहा है। फॉर्च्यूनर को अपने कब्जे में ले लिया गया है। फॉर्च्यूनर का ड्राइवर भी हिरासत में ले लिया गया है।
All right, let's go across to Adib now. Adib, in the FIR, of course, there are no details of the Gadi Chalak, the driver, and his address. But I'm given to understand, and this is what the police official also just said, that the driver has been detained. Stay on with us, Adib. Before I come to you, I believe we have IP Singh joining us on the broadcast. IP Singh जी, गोंडा से खबर आ रही है कि एक फॉर्च्यूनर कार ने 2 लोगों को कुचल दिया, 2 लोगों को उड़ा दिया. अब वहां के लोकल्स कह रहे हैं कि ये करण भूषण के कॉन्वॉय का पार्ट था. हालांकि आपने अगर सुना हो पुलिस अधिकारी को, तो अभी इस बारे में कोई उनकी तरफ से कॉन्फर्मेशन नहीं आ रहा है.
देखिए, आम जनता को रौंद देना, उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई कर देना, आम जनता को कीड़ा मकोड़ा समझना, ये बीजेपी नेताओं की एक आम सी बात हो गई है. आपने लखीमपुर में देखा था कि अजय मिश्रा टैनी, जो गृह राज्य मंत्री, उनके बेटे ने किसानों को रौंद कर हत्या कर दी थी. आज वही काम जो लोकसभा प्रत्याशी हैं, बृजभूषण शरण सिंह दबंग हैं, ये सबको पता है, उनके बेटे की ये कन्वाय थी. और ये लोग सड़कों पर इतनी स्पीड से चलते हैं, इतना टेरर बनाकर चलते हैं कि उन्होंने निर्दोष बच्चों की एक तरह से निर्मम हत्या कर दी, मौत हो गई उनकी. और सवाल ये खड़ा होता है कि जो सुरक्षा, जो कन्वाय है, जो पुलिस एस्कॉर्ट लगी हुई है, क्या वो उनके बेटे के लिए थी या उनके पिताजी के लिए थी, बृजभूषण सिंह के लिए थी? कन्वाय क्यों चल रही थी, ये भी एक सवाल है. क्योंकि सैया भय कोतवाल अब डर काहे का, एक कहावत है.
ऑलराइट,
इसमें बीजेपी की सरकार है, उनकी सरकार है, केंद्र में उनकी सरकार है.
आप कह रहे हैं, आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं सत्ता का नशा है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया IP सिंह जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. अदीब कंटिन्यूज टू बी विद अस ऑन द ब्रॉडकास्ट. अदीब, what do we know about the driver? Because the additional SP said that the driver has been detained. One, IP Singh also asking कि पुलिस एस्कॉर्ट क्यों लिखा था गाड़ी पर?
Well, see, Swati, the police are not revealing the identity of the driver as of now. They are saying that it's the part of the investigation, and the driver is being questioned right now. We are questioning the driver. The details of the passengers, those who were sitting inside the vehicle, is still not confirmed. Who all were sitting inside the vehicle? Was it the police, Uttar Pradesh police personnel? They were sitting inside the vehicle, or was it the personal security of Karan Bhushan Sharan Singh that were inside the that particular SUV? But on the SUV, it was clearly embossed that it was a part of the police escort and it was a part of the convoy of Karan Bhushan Sharan Singh. The police is saying that we are probing the matter. The driver is being questioned, and we will shortly share the details.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.